Hello dear students, welcome back. As you know all, we are studying the fourth life process, that is the human excretory system. So let us continue the same topic. So today we will study about the mechanism of human excretory system. In our previous class we have studied the various parts of the excretory system which takes part in the process of the excretion. Which are those? Those are the pair of kidney and pair of ureters and urethra and the urinary. Let's see the function of those parts. You know that the excretory system, pair of kidneys takes the most important part in the process of the excretion. So if you observe the cross section of the kidney, get the structure as I have drawn on the board. It is the cross section of the kidney, so we can get the structure. So in this structure, what are the things we can observe? So you can observe the various parts here. So which are those? You can observe here there is a renal artery which brings the dirty blood from all the body parts to the kidney. And next we can observe the renal vein is there. It carries the pure, otherwise purified blood to the all parts of the body. And also you can observe there are the nephrons. So what are the nephrons? Nephrons are the purification units of the kidney, we can say here. So what they do, they main unit of the kidney, that is main unit of the excretory system, they purifies the blood. Those are called as the nephron. And again you can observe the ureter is connected to the kidney and tubule is there. So if you observe the nephron, I have said you main unit of the excretory system is the nephron. So that nephron helps to purify the blood. Is the main unit of the excretion, I have said you. Is it right? If you observe the nephron structure under the microscope, so we can get the structure of the nephron as I had drawn on the board here. So this is called as the nephron. So how it is there in the shape? So you can observe here one end of the, otherwise it is containing the cup-like structure at the its top. So how it is there? It's a cup-like structure and it is connected to the tubule. It's a tubule. So one end of the tubule is connected to the Bowman's capsule. That cup-shaped structure is called as the Bowman's capsule. Another end of the tubule is connected to the urine collecting duct. So this is a tubule, and one end of the tubule is connected to the Bowman's capsule, and another end is connected to the urine collecting duct. So this Bowman's capsule is again containing what? A bundle of the capillaries. That bundle of the capillaries are called as the glomerulus. It is called as the glomerulus. Those are what? These are the bundles of the capillaries which filters the blood. And one end of the glomerulus is connected to the renal artery. So which brings the dirty blood to the nephron. So after the filtration, what happens? So it will go through the again that the capillary, it is called as the capillary. It connected to the renal vein. So it carries clean blood to the all other parts of the body. So it is glomerulus. It is a glomerulus. It is a group of the capillaries. Capillaries helps to filter the blood here. Those are very small tubes. In that what happened? Blood will be purified. Is it right? So dirty blood I am telling. So what the dirty blood will be containing? It may be containing unwanted salts and amino acids. And also excess of the water will be there. So urea will be there. So those are what we can say here, unwanted things we can say. Otherwise it is a mixture of the various substances. So it will be purified in the place of nephron. So it is containing Bowman's capsule. Is it right? So its upper end is called as the Bowman's capsule. And so then next is the tubule is there. So this each and every part helps to filter the blood. Is it right? So in this place only what happens? Blood will be purified. So I hope you all understood the parts, various parts takes part in the process of the excretory system. Mainly nephron is excretory unit we can say here. Is it right? So that excretory unit, that is nephron, is containing various parts. There will be the Bowman's capsule. In that there will be the glomerulus is there, and also we can say tubule is there, and urinary duct will be there, and ureter will be there, urea and blood capillaries. These all will takes part in the process of the excretory system. Is it right? It is about the various parts related to the excretory system. Is it right? Now let us study the mechanism of the excretory system. How it works. So at first what happened? dirty blood from all the part of the body enters into the kidney. So how it enters? Through the renal artery. So you know that arteries will bring dirty, otherwise arteries will bring blood from all the parts of the body into the nephron, into the nephron. So what happened? Dirty blood enters into the nephron at the place of the Bowman's capsule. It is containing a bundle of the capillaries. So what happened? Blood will enter to the artery, then it will be connected to the capillaries. So now blood is entered to the glomerulus. So in the place of glomerulus, what happened? Blood will purifies. So how blood will purify? So those are containing various capillaries, various vessels. So those what they does, they absorbs the wanted substances, like amino acids will be required for our body, salts, some useful salts also required for our body. Even you take the water, so little amount of water is also required for our body. So another any wanted things will be there. It will be absorbed by the Bowman's capsule and then it will be passed into the tubule. You can observe here tubule is there. So what happened? It will be passed through the tubule. So now blood will be blood will be free from all the other substances. So that purified blood will be, what happens now? It will passes away from the kidney through the renal vein, again through the capillary to the renal vein. So next it go to the various part of our body. So next what happened? So that all the various substances will be absorbed by the tubule. So that tubule what they does? The tubule will be containing one very good capacity, we can say. So what they does? So it reabsorbs all the other materials. So what all the materials it reabsorbs? It may be salts which are important for which are useful for our body. So it will be absorbed, and also it will absorb some amino acids, and again any important substance will be present in the blood. It will be absorbed by the tubule. So afterwards what happens? So almost all 99% of wanted, otherwise useful things will be absorbed by the tubules. Then it will be it will be mixed into the bloodstream. So next what happened now? Nothing will be remained in the Nothing will be remained in the tubule. So it will what will be there? Excess of water will be there, and unwanted thing called as the urea will be there, and some little amount of salts and some other things will be there in the tubule. So that is called as, that is a nothing but it is a yellowish liquid called as the urine. So what happens? Through that tubule, urine will be passed into the ureter. So you know that many nephrons are there. I am talking about only one nephron. There are various. So here you can observe the various branches. So each and every branch is containing n number of the nephrons. So all the nephrons perform the same function. So afterwards what happened? All those tubules will be connected to the ureter. So through that ureter what happened? That yellowish liquid called as the urine will be passed. And afterwards what happened? It will be passed into the ureters. Through that ureter what happened? That yellowish liquid called urine will be passes, and afterwards it will be stored in the urinary bladder. Is it right? So you know that it is urinary bladder also one of the part of the excretory system. It is sac-like structure. It stores the urine for some time. So after the filling the urinary bladder, what happens? It removes out that urine through the urethra. Is it right? So what happened now? That urine will be expelled out. That is a waste substance will be expelled out. Is it right? So what is the urine containing? So urine, it may be containing water, some salts and nitrogenous substance and also maximum amount of urine will be containing the urea. Is it right? It is about the urine. So it is called as a mechanism of our excretory system, we can say here. Understanding? I hope you all understood today's topic. What are the things we have studied? So we have studied the cross section of the kidney. So what are the parts will include in the function of the excretion we have studied here. Then we have studied the detailed structure of the nephron and working structure of the nephron. I hope you understood the working structure of the nephron. It's a very important for your exam. Understanding? So all the points are written on the board. If you want, so you can take it. Understanding? So you have any difficulty regarding today's topic, let me know. Thank you.